up, y'all? It's your boy Larry Midnight Chaos. Today we'll be installing, or actually no, we are going to be painting lip kit that I got from my car. So if you're new to the channel, go ahead, do me a favor and like and subscribe and stay tuned. So yeah, we're just gonna hold this up to the car for y'all, kind of get an idea. You know, these are the side skirts. Got a front lip right here and got some little rear spats. Please ignore the dirty car, but it's gonna pull everything together. They still got the rear diffuser on there, and I'm about to hold this front lip to see what this is looking like. So yeah, this is the front lip. You know, we could just run it dry, but I'm gonna put some black paint match cans on there.
Yeah.
Get it painted up.
Look at that.
Front, the fitment on this side is kind of sketchy.
Yeah.
I think once you drill it in,
it's gonna hold better.
Yeah.
Yeah, you got it.
Yeah, it's gonna look fire.
Yeah, I like it.
As you can see, we got the little makeshift paint booth set up. We already sanded everything with 600 grit sandpaper, and we wiped everything down with alcohol. And right now, about to go ahead and spray some adhesion promoter on here. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? And then after this, probably gonna hit it with the primer. Y'all, got the adhesion promoter on all of the parts, and about to go ahead, throw on some of the sandable primer. Probably do like 2 to 3 coats, and we check back with y'all.
Shake it up. Oh, shake it up. Larry looks like some type of like duck kid.
You already know, Corona time, baby.
Yeah, Corona, we love Corona, you know what I'm saying?
If you're new to the channel, be sure to like and subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. Be on the lookout for merch, midnightchaosllc.com.
Yeah,
Coming
look at
soon.
that.
You know what I'm saying?
I like that. Oh,
You already
I
know.
like that. Yeah, do that. Check out the merch.
A few moments later.
Yo, so we got the primer on, and right now we're about to go ahead and wet sand with 600 grit.
Let's check out this primer.
2 coats of primer.
Man, it don't look bad just to be primer, guys. I'm liking it. Oh. Doodle wop. Oh yeah. See that mist? And done. What's up? Y'all look crazy.
All right, y'all, so we got 2 coats of primer on everything. Wet sanded, wiped everything off real good with alcohol, and went over it with a tack cloth. So right now, about to be putting on this paint matched base coat, automotive touch up. Hopefully this shit looks decent. And yeah, we're gonna see how it turns out. So far it's looking pretty good. I know a lot of people was gonna run this shit matte color, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna try to paint match it to the car. Yeah, we also over here restoring Frank's fog lights. We got these sanded down and re-clearing them right now. They look really fucking crispy. You know what I'm saying? And we got his old headlights over here, getting these clear coated, just restoring them to get some practice, and you know, be on the lookout for these too.
All right, I'm looking ready.
All right, y'all, so we got the first coat of the base coat. Got that on there, trying to get that dried up. We're gonna do probably 2 coats of base, then come back and hit it with 2 coats of clear. So we're limited on paint. All right, y'all, it's a brand new day. Last night, we were putting on the base coat and everything, and it got pretty late. So I think today we're just going to finish up and do the clear coat. Turned out pretty good. You can see the base. This is the front lip. Base coat looking pretty good. Might touch up a couple spots. All right, y'all, so we moved outside with it, and pretty much gonna be doing the clear coat. And I sand out some drippy spots I had. And other than that, we already put a little layer of clear coat on this. Probably do 2 more coats. Yeah, it's gonna be a little sketchy doing this shit outside. Hopefully it dries up good.
With no bugs in it.
But we really didn't want to take a chance and spray this 2K clear indoors. So, you know, I mean, for $100, you know, I'm not mad at it if it has a couple imperfections. Bugs are dumb as fuck. Oh, good save. Yeah, hopefully we can bring it back in the polishing, guys, but you know, it is what it is at this point.
There's a bug in there.
It is what it is. Motherfuckers at the car meet can be like, damn, is that a bug?
Yeah.
Like, yes.
Yeah.
Fuck it.
How do you feel, Mike?
Feeling good, man. You know, Lip Kit is like 80% there.
Almost, with a little bug in it.
Yeah, it's gonna have some bugs in it, but you know.
Fuck it.
So
Fuck it, look better than most people should.
hell yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Ain't gonna
I know
stunt.
y'all thinking like, you know, where he get that fresh Midnight Chaos shirt.
Yeah, look
You know
at
what
that.
I'm saying? MidnightChaosLLC.com. Online store is now live. So feel free to support, man. Cop a t-shirt. Good quality, looks good, you know what I'm saying?
I like it.
Help us get to 1,000 subscribers. Go ahead and drop a comment, like, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Midnight Chaos LLC. All right, y'all, so we got a couple coats of the clear on there. Probably let it dry a little bit longer and then do at least 1 more coat. I think we got about 2 good coats on there now. Looking wet, looking moist. Just did this one. So it's gonna turn out pretty good.
Feel like you putting on some more water. But
All right, so just finished up the clear coat. looking pretty good. Gotta let it dry for a while. And then we'll probably come back and hit it with like 2000 grit sandpaper. Try to get out some of this orange peel, wet sand it a bit, and polish it down. It's not gonna be perfect. We got bugs and shit in it, but you know, it's a cheap lip kit. I'm not really tripping off of it. Got the rear spats down here. So yeah, man, really excited to get this on the car. And stay tuned for the install video. I don't know if we're gonna attach it to this one or make a new one. But yeah.
I'll be in that video.
Yeah.
Several days later.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Larry, Midnight Chaos. I'm back over here at the homie Frank's house where we were painting the lip kit about a week ago. So it's had about a week or so to cure, and we're gonna check it out, see how the at-home paint job turned out. Let y'all see what it's looking like. I've already seen it, but it's a surprise to y'all. All right, y'all, so here's part of the lip kit. This is the front lip, obviously. It's pretty bright outside, but man, we got the 2K clear on there and you can see my reflection. And this is, we have not wet sanded or buffed or anything. This is just straight from like 3 coats of clear. And it look, I'm not gonna lie, man, it looks really good. I don't know if y'all can tell, but this matches the OEM paint on my car. So there is some flake in there. It's so fucking bright outside, you probably can't see the flake. But man, oh man, the clear coat looks fucking good.
It's amazing.
So yeah, like the only downside, motherfucker looks so good that my front bumper needs to be redone. Cause my front bumper has all rock chips in it. I just wouldn't feel right putting this on with the current bumper situation. So I might order some more cans and we'll be doing the front bumper here soon. But we're gonna do all that in another video. So that's all we got for this video, man. So go ahead and hit that bell for notifications, subscribe, like, drop a comment. Also, we got merch on deck, midnightchaosllc.com. Go copy a t-shirt or a sticker, man. And stay tuned for more content. Peace.
Check out the Instagram. Fucks with the Instagram and subscribe.
Donations. Gifts.